Hi everybody, it's the Gaming Yuki once again, giving you guys another episode of the Dolphin Emulator tutorials, and today we're going to take a look at the graphic settings of what you can use for the emulator. Make sure you guys take a look at the last episodes, including the input of the controller and the overview of the emulator itself. And if you guys like tutorial videos like this, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and enable notifications. So today we're going to take a look at graphic settings, and let's take a look at that by clicking here. We want to go over what the graphic settings are so you guys are aware of what to use and what not to use. So most of the time, in general, we're going to go to general. Most of the time the default will be OpenGL. Adapter only if you do not use the OpenGL, but I would keep that default. Aspect ratio deals with how the screen is presented. I would say put this in auto. VSync is going to be to prevent tearing, and full screen is full screen. Other, if you guys want to show you guys that, the other deals with the FPS, render the main menu window, net play, which is the multiplayer, net play ping, log time to render the file, and auto adjust window size. Auto adjust window size is a good one. Now shader, I would keep it default though. In enhancement, you can do the internal resolution, anti-aliasing if you want, anti-scopic filtering, post-processing effect. If you are not sure, check out the default setting, which is off, and other options like this. Okay, I would keep the rest of this default though. Under hacks, I would keep whatever is default in this area here, just in case you're not sure. And under advanced, I would also keep whatever is default here, just because I don't want you to crash it. And that's how the graphics settings work. So if you have any questions about that, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and enable notifications. And we're gonna show you guys some examples of how the game looks like under certain conditions. Make sure you guys leave the like, subscribe, and enable notifications. And we'll see you guys in our next video.